This is Rijeka in quarantine. No one. 1 p.m. So you can see also the sun is in quarantine. There is no any more sun. I have to go home soon. Maybe the virus is here. But oh my God, there is a man here. You can see. He's so brave, he's staying out. But maybe because of this, because of that he's out now, that he's in this condition, like a rock, you know. Okay, see you soon and stay alive always. I will try to stay alive and safe. Bye. Actually, I saw the last human things here in Rijeka. Marina was open, last thing. And you could ask, but why you are out if there is quarantine? But to go home, to stay at home, I have to go home. No one today born at home, so to stay at home I have to go home, and I'm going. See you.